Big
All right.
drop on
Hello,
the
everybody
cues.
out there. It is Thor Young. I'm here with Brian Pesum, our Prophet of Profit, and we are going to be bringing you a recap from our trading action here in the BBT chat room. Our boss and fearless leader, Andrew, is on his way to France today. I think he will be trading later in the week from his portable terminal. But while he's out, I'm on deck, and I thought I'd come in here and do that. We had some great trading today in the room. Lots of good trades from within the room. Brian and I caught some good stuff. For me specifically, I saw as we came in here to SPY, one thing I noticed was that SPY last time it was in this range, we consolidated quite a bit. So I was kind of expecting things to be a little, range bound today, if you will, and we happened to open up very, very low in the range on the SPY today. So I was hoping for a squeeze on the SPY, which I did get. So I tried one long at the open, got a small partial on that and stopped out. One more try, didn't like it, so I got out of that for about a quarter of an hour loss, and then I knew I was in the right spot here. I went long here, new 1 minute low. Let me get a little closer to that so you can see it. I went long here, new 1 minute low. That was my pop there, and I got a beautiful move on SPY after that. I only got my SPY trade today, so keeping things simple for me. Did add in here after our PMI data came out, which really didn't have very much of a response. But I did get a little add, some pop outs, and now I'm basically all done. So I am holding a couple of shares left. I was hoping we'd get a little bit more of a move on this, but it looks like we're about all done. But that's it for me. How about you, Brian, sir? I know you got some good
Yeah,
ones. I know you got TQs long, and got a nice move on that
yeah,
one out.
yeah. That was as we were breaking out there. But my favorite trade, we had two nice setups at the open. TSM was one of them. Um, the Rising Devil trade, I call it. So gapping down and trading below the VWAP at the open. So we got that nice little pop on TSM at the open and shorted it up near the VWAP. So got in around, was it 85.40, I think it was. And as it came up to the VWAP, and then just it dropped after that. So I just covered it as we went through 85 and into the 84s. And then JD was almost the identical trade book trade. Rising Devil again gapping down, looking weak going into the open, and it popped up to the VWAP as well. So I got in 80 57, sort of 50 range again, and then it just sold off. So covered it all the way down through into the 56s, and then it just bounced back up and had a small size left and just stopped out of the rest. So yeah, two nice Rising Devil trade setups. So happy with that.
Yeah, you got the two of those, and then once those
So
exhausted the downside, you flipped long into some Qs and TQs
yeah,
at least, and
yeah, that was
got
it.
this beautiful run all the way back out.
Yeah, and we got the buying brigade came in and yeah, drove things back up. So it's yeah, it was a good morning. Had two really nice setups. My favorite trades. So
Beautiful,
thanks
absolutely
to
beautiful.
a few other people in the room, I think got those too. So that was nice.
Yeah, we had a great. I saw lots of good posts in the room from people that got some good hits. Really nice for a Monday. Sometimes
Yeah,
Mondays can feel a little anxiety ridden. I felt like we were real chill today. Had a really good mojo in the chat room today. I felt like everyone was fired up and ready to get some good trades in and patient, and we definitely hit that. So kudos out to the room
yeah,
too. When the room's like this, it responds to us too because we can kind of feel the confidence in the room, so it helps us out. For everyone out there in YouTube, Bear Bull chat room, it's you see a lot on the YouTube. The recaps are good, but the environment you get here in the community, we kind of say don't trade alone. The reason why is this: there's a lot of confidence and a lot of good feels that come from being in a community, but especially this one. So if you have time to come check us out, we got some cool promos out there and stuff like that. You can even get in and take a look for a couple of days and check out our onboarding stuff, all that good stuff. So if you want to do that, come on by. Otherwise, if you're so inclined, throw us a like, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, all that good stuff. Feel free to comment. We'll answer. And I hope you guys all have a great rest of your trading week. Brian, always a pleasure trading with the Prophet of Profit, my friend.
All right. Good to be trading with you this morning. It was awesome. We had a couple of really good money-making trades here. So
That's right. Lobster
keep
time.
it green, everybody. Well, yeah. Keep it green, everyone. Have a good one. Yeah.
All right. Peace out. Keep it green, y'all.
Yeah. All right. Cheers. Bye.